Welcome to our channel. Did you know that you can transform your skin from home using 100% natural ingredients? In this video, we'll reveal the most effective homemade masks to achieve radiant, smooth, and rejuvenated skin without the need for expensive products. If you love beauty and are looking for natural solutions to take care of your face, armpits, and inner thighs, this video is for you. Here you will learn how to prepare masks with honey, avocado, cucumber, and other ingredients that will brighten, nourish, hydrate, and renew your skin in an incredible way. Don't miss out on our exclusive facial masks and final tips to boost your results. Let's start our beauty adventure with a magical mask to even out our skin tone and give it a natural glow, and say goodbye to those annoying spots that bother us so much. And you know what? We only need 2 star ingredients, pure honey and fresh lemon juice. It's that simple. First, we grab a nice clean dry bowl. Hygiene is super important, my loves, to make sure our mask is effective and safe. And we put in a big spoonful of pure honey, which is a true elixir for the skin. Honey is a treasure from nature. It hydrates the skin and fights bacteria, leaving it soft and clean. It's like a gentle hug for your face. Plus, it smells amazing. Now, squeeze half a fresh lemon to get its juice, which is full of vitamin C. If you don't have a juicer, don't worry. Use a fork to get all that citrusy juice out. It works just as well. Lemon naturally lightens the skin and will help us reduce blemishes and even out skin tone, giving it a special glow. But watch out! Put on sunscreen after using this mask because lemon can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. We don't want any sunburns. Mix the honey and lemon well until it becomes a smooth, creamy paste. If it's too thick, you can add a few drops of water until it has the texture you like. Don't worry, it's easy to adjust. With a clean, dry face, apply the honey and lemon mask, but be careful with your eyes. Avoid the sensitive area around them. Leave it on for 10 or 15 minutes while you relax. You can listen to music or read a book. Afterwards, remove it with warm water and dry your face by patting it with a soft towel. No rubbing. You'll see your skin is soft, luminous, and more even-toned. You'll feel refreshed and ready to shine. If your skin is screaming for moisture, this avocado and olive oil mask will be your new best friend. It's like an oasis for your face. For this magic recipe, we need half a ripe avocado. Make sure it's nice and soft so it's easy to mix. Avocado is a superfood full of vitamins and properties that nourish the skin deeply, leaving it soft as silk. Now add a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil to the avocado. Olive oil is a treasure from the Mediterranean with antioxidant properties that fight free radicals and prevent aging. It's like a protective shield for your skin. With a fork, mash the avocado and mix it well with the olive oil until you have a smooth cream. If it seems too thick, you can add a few more drops of olive oil. Apply the avocado and olive oil mask to your clean, dry face, avoiding the eye area. Relax and let this nutritious mixture work its magic for 20 minutes. Afterwards, remove it with warm water and dry your face with a soft towel. You will feel your skin deeply hydrated, soft and radiant. Want a super gentle exfoliation that leaves your skin clean and soft like a baby's? This yogurt and oatmeal mask will be your new favorite beauty ritual. It's like a spa day in your own home. For this magic recipe, we need 2 tablespoons of plain unsweetened yogurt. Yogurt has lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin, removes impurities, and leaves it incredibly soft. Add a tablespoon of ground oatmeal to the yogurt. Oatmeal is wonderful. It calms the skin, reduces irritation and redness. It's like a calming hug for your face. Mix the yogurt and oatmeal well until you have a smooth paste. If it's too thick, you can add a few drops of water or milk. Apply the yogurt and oatmeal mask to your clean, damp face, using gentle circular motions to exfoliate the skin carefully. Avoid the eye area. Leave the mask on for 15 minutes for the magic to happen. Rinse off the mask with warm water and dry your face with a soft towel. You will notice your skin soft, clean, radiant, and free of impurities. Is your skin tired, dull, and in need of a break? Does it feel like your face has lost its natural vitality and glow? Don't worry. This cucumber and aloe vera mask is just what you need to revitalize your face and make it shine again. It's a natural and effective solution you can make at home. It's like a cool glass of water for your skin. Imagine the refreshing and revitalizing feeling you'll experience. For this magical recipe, we need half a fresh cucumber. Cucumber is known for its hydrating and soothing properties. Cucumber is full of water and antioxidants that hydrate, refresh, and reduce skin puffiness. It also helps reduce swelling and dark circles. It's like a refreshing bath for your face. You'll feel your skin revitalized instantly. Add 2 tablespoons of natural aloe vera gel to the cucumber. Aloe vera is a wonderful ingredient with soothing, hydrating, and regenerating properties. Aloe vera is a wonderful ingredient with soothing, hydrating, and regenerating properties that help relieve sunburns, reduce irritation, and promote healing. It's ideal for all skin types. It's like a healing balm for your skin. You'll notice the difference from the first application. Slice the cucumber and then blend it with the aloe vera gel until you get a smooth mixture. Make sure it's well blended to get all the benefits. If the mixture seems too thick, you can add a little water. This will help make the mask easier to apply. Apply the cucumber and aloe vera mask to your clean face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Make sure to cover all areas well for an even effect. Relax and let this refreshing mixture work its magic for 20 minutes. You can use this time to rest and unwind. Remove the mask with cold water to enhance its refreshing effect, and dry your face with a soft towel. You'll feel a sensation of freshness and cleanliness. You'll feel your skin hydrated, fresh, revitalized, and with a radiant glow. This mask is perfect for giving your skin the care it deserves. Ready to shine like a star? Today, we bring you a recipe that will transform your skin. This banana, honey, and turmeric mask is the best-kept secret for a bright face, free of blemishes, and with a healthy appearance. It's like a spa treatment at home. Get ready to receive many compliments. Your friends and family will notice the difference. For this magical recipe, we need a ripe banana. Make sure it's very ripe to get all its benefits. Bananas are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish, hydrate, and soften the skin. It's a superfood not only for your body, but also for your skin. It's like a nutritious smoothie for your face. Imagine giving your skin a shake full of goodness. Add a spoonful of pure honey to the banana. Honey is a natural humectant that retains moisture in the skin. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to the mix. Turmeric is known for its healing properties. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help reduce blemishes, even out skin tone, and fight the signs of aging. It's a true elixir of youth. It's a real treasure for the skin. Don't underestimate the power of this golden ingredient. Mash the banana with a fork and mix it well with the honey and turmeric until you get a smooth paste. Make sure there are no lumps. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a few drops of water or milk. This will help the mask apply more easily. Apply the banana, honey, and turmeric mask on a clean and dry face, avoiding the eye area. Make sure to cover all problem areas well. Relax and let this magical mix work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. Take this time to unwind and enjoy a moment of peace. Remove the mask with warm water and dry your face with a soft towel. Feel your skin breathe and renew itself. Admire your luminous, radiant, and blemish-free skin. Now you're ready to face the day with confidence and a smile. The potato and honey mask is ideal, since it combines a natural lightener with the moisturizing properties of honey. This makes it safe for delicate areas like the underarms and bikini line. It's also gentler than other options like lemon, which reduces the risk of irritation. Many of the natural masks mentioned before are not only useful for lightening the face, but also for improving areas like the neck, underarms, and bikini line. This potato and honey mask has the benefits of potato's lightening properties, while honey deeply moisturizes. The ingredients are the juice of 1 grated potato and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix and apply to the desired areas and let it sit for 20 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. And that's all for today about skin beautification. I hope you like these homemade mask recipes as much as I did. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to Life and Natural Secrets and hit the bell. Remember that consistency is key to having incredible results. Don't forget to cleanse your face and skin well before putting on any mask to remove impurities and allow the ingredients to penetrate deeply. And of course, never forget to subscribe to my channel and protect your skin from the sun with sunscreen. Moisturize it daily and eat a balanced diet.